How to make the healthiest chocolate bar, Cacao Bliss. Hi guys, welcome to Healthy Bodies. In case you're new to our channel, we provide daily videos on a wide range of health topics. So if you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, and that way you will never miss any of our updates. So in today's video, we're going to look at how to make the healthiest chocolate bar. And what we're going to do is we'll explain what ingredients should be used, their respective health benefits, and why it's such a healthy chocolate. And also stay tuned until the end, because we'll also be providing a super easy recipe to make the chocolate. And we've also got a great free gift for you. Now, eating dark chocolate itself, or cacao, in its rawest form can be extremely healthy, and we'll explain why in a minute. However, eating many regular everyday chocolate bars can sometimes be bad for your health, and chocolate consumption has been long associated with conditions such as acne, diabetes, obesity, coronary heart disease and hypertension. And chocolate receives a lot of bad press because of its high fat and sugar content. Now, most chocolate products sold today are loaded with unhealthy sugar, go through excessive processing during manufacturing, and this strips out the majority of its nutrients and is therefore loaded with fattening calories. But we all like chocolate, right? So what if you could find a way to eat chocolate but also get healthy at the same time? Now that'd be cool, yeah? But what you need to avoid is obviously all the excess sugar and all the excess manufacturer processing in order to make chocolate more healthy, and ideally add a few extra other healthy ingredients along the way too. So here's what we suggest. It's super cool, extremely healthy, and could, in our opinion, be one of the healthiest ways to make chocolate. What if you made chocolate and it had all the following healthy ingredients, including several top superfoods? What if it included raw cacao? Now, raw cacao, which is not to be confused with cocoa, is made by cold pressing raw cacao beans, ensuring that no nutrients are lost by heat treating. And this is distinctly different to cocoa, which has been roasted and heavily processed. Therefore, raw cacao maintains its high nutritional profile, and it makes it a superfood loaded with antioxidants and nutrients. And the health benefits of raw cacao are numerous. Cacao is one of the most powerful antioxidants on the planet. Its antioxidant powers are 40 times more powerful than blueberries, which in themselves are a superfood. It's got the highest plant-based source of iron, it provides more calcium than cow's milk, and it's a great source of magnesium, all essential nutrients for the health of our body. And cacao can also help promote weight loss. It can improve cardiovascular health, brain function, as well as dental health, coughs, digestion, aging, skincare, fatigue, and even happiness. So as you can see, it's a great core ingredient for our healthiest chocolate bar. But what if we then went beyond that and also added more superfood ingredients? Turmeric. Turmeric's a true superfood. It's got both anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and it can promote joint health and also relieve sore muscles and support your body's natural inflammation response all over the body, and even help support and cleanse your liver. Black pepper. Now, why black pepper, I hear you ask, and it's a really good question, and the reason is turmeric's poorly absorbed into your body, so if you eat it alone you won't get the full strength of all these essential health benefits. Studies have shown that when you add just a little touch of black pepper to turmeric, the piperine compound within black pepper can increase turmeric absorption within the body by up to 2000%. MCT oil. MCT oil helps burn body fat. Now, MCT oil doesn't get stored as fat like other long chain fats do. Instead, MCT oil goes directly to your liver and it's used immediately for energy. So not only do you get a quick boost in energy levels, the oil also is far less likely to cause weight gain. Cinnamon. Now, also including cinnamon in our chocolate bar would be great, because cinnamon's known as the skinny spice, and for very good reason. Cinnamon can help you manage your blood sugar and thus your weight, with its unique ability to kind of imitate the activity of insulin within the body. And it does this by supporting your body's ability to manage glucose after a meal by a breakdown of carbohydrates in your digestive tract and supporting your body's natural insulin. And cinnamon's ability to help you maintain healthy blood sugar levels also makes it easier for you to manage your weight. And that's because your body naturally stores more fat when your blood sugar level is elevated. Monk fruit. In its rawest form, cacao is actually quite bitter, so that's why manufacturers add lots and lots of sugar to chocolate. But there are natural alternatives to sugar that are far more healthy. So what we would recommend is also adding monk fruit. Is a great example. It's an Asian fruit that looks like a tiny sort of watermelon, and it tastes just like sugar, but it has 0 calories and no ill effect on your blood sugar levels. Coconut nectar. Now, unlike table sugar, coconut nectar contains a unique fibre known as inulin, which acts as a prebiotic, and it feeds the healthy gut bacteria in your lower intestine, and inulin can improve glycemic control as well. And finally, for good measure, try adding lucuma to introduce a hint of caramel flavour. Mesquite, which is a sweet nutty superfood, and it can help to boost your immune system function. And Himalayan salt, which will help to enhance the chocolate flavour, and it also contains many minerals that can help to balance pH levels. And by combining all of the ingredients we've just outlined, you start to create a very healthy and powerful chocolate recipe. And this unique combination of ingredients isn't processed like mass-produced chocolate and contains no unhealthy fats or sugars, so all of its health benefits aren't just preserved, they're actually maximised. And the combination of superfoods contained within it provide a powerful mixture of anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. But that's an awful lot of ingredients, I hear you say, and yep, you're absolutely right. But there's two choices here. You can either go and source them all separately, that's one way you can do it. Alternatively, you may be interested and want to check out our #1 health recommendation. Now, it's for a product called Cacao Bliss. We have mentioned it before on several occasions, and it contains every single one of these ingredients in one great healthy cacao powder. And there's a link in the description below, and just if you want to go and check it out, that'd be great. And if you do decide to do so, but just by popping along and having a look, we're going to give every person that visits the site a free 48-page green smoothie ebook. So even if you decide, Cacao Bliss isn't for you, still claim your free smoothie ebook and continue on your journey to getting healthy. And finally, here's the recipe we also promised to make this healthiest chocolate ever. Healthiest chocolate bar. Ingredients: 2 to 3 scoops of Cacao Bliss, half a cup of dark chocolate chips with a minimum 75% cacao content, and half a cup of coconut oil. Instructions: firstly, melt the ingredients together in a double boiler until they're runny, and then pour into chocolate moulds or perhaps silicone ice cube tray. And then once you've done that, place them in the freezer for 10 minutes or until they're hardened, and then they can be removed and stored in a cool, dark place in an airtight container. And this chocolate bar recipe is so incredibly healthy and healing to every cell within your body. We recommend eating it every day, not just to reward yourself with a lovely delicious treat, but to also provide your body with nutrients to support your overall health. So we hope you found this information useful, and we have many similar videos being released shortly. So please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, and that way you will catch all the latest updates. Until next time, goodbye.